That's a ball. That's right. Michael, say blanket. That's your blanket. Yeah, that's your other blanket. Now you got 3 blankets. You got 2 from Grandma Cindy and 1 from Mrs. Mitchell.
Say thank you.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Yeah, say I love you. You gonna snuggle your blanket?
Snuggle it, Michael.
You can snuggle it?
Snuggle it.
There's a
Snuggle it.
little blanket. He's like, I don't know, it's new. Not used to that blanket, huh? Here. Here. Blanket! Mommy's gonna snuggle with it. Here. I'm gonna put it over here for you. There's a blanket. There's your blanket. You say blanket? Yeah, blanket. Say I love you. Say thank you for my blanket. Say thank you for my blanket. That's Dada. Say I love you. Thank you for my blanket. Yeah. Give kisses. Give kisses. Mwah. Give a butterfly kisses. Give a butterfly kisses.